been my blue-eyed son? Where have you been, my darling young one? Well, I've stumbled on the side of a misty mountain. I've walked and I've trod on 6 crooked highways. Stepped in the middle of 7 sad forests. Been out in front of a deserted ocean. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain in the home. When you see my blue-eyed son, when you see my darling young one, I saw a newborn baby with white roofs all around it. So high with diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black bass with blood that kept dripping. I saw a room full of men, and my hand was bleeding. I saw 10,000 talkers and their tongues were all broken. I saw guns and sharp swords in the hands of young children. And it's a hard, yeah, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain. Well, did you hear my blue-eyed son? What did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of a thunder and roll out of morning. I heard the roar of a wave that could drown the whole world. I heard 100 drummers and their hands were blazing. I heard 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. I heard one person starve, I heard many of you laughing. I heard the song of a poet, but he died in the gutter. I heard the sound of a cloud, and it cried in the alley. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain in the home. Who did you meet, my blue-eyed son? Who did you meet, my darling young one? I met a young child beside a dead pony. I met a white man and he walked a black dog. I met a young woman and her body was burning. I met a young girl and she gave me a rainbow. I met one man that was wounded in love. I met another man who was wounded in hatred. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, yes, it's a hard, it's a hard living on. do now, my blue-eyed son. What do you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out for the rain that starts to fall in. I'll walk to the depths of the deepest dark forest, where the people are many and the hands all empty, where the pellets of poison are floating in the water, where the home in the valley meets the damsel in prison, and the execution is the face is always well hidden. Hunger is only the souls are forgotten. Where black is the color and gold is the number, and I'm telling it and I'm thinking and I'm speaking and I'm breathing, reflected from the mountain so all souls can see it. And I stand on the ocean until I start sinking, and I know my soul well before I start singing. 'Cause it's hard